Yeah, I had to stop. Too many errands that I had to run, so I didn't continue. But today, like just today we're gonna do more. I don't know where my son left off yesterday, but this time it's my turn to be in the heat. Woo, hot. But I have to work. I have to get this going. So I ain't got no choice. Let me see. So he had to take a couple bolts off. I see he took some off. I see some here. Right there. You don't mind my shirt's all ripped. Haha. I got a message. Okay. All right. Let me inspect his work. Whoa. Sounds like something's falling. There's two off. Oh, he actually took it out. I don't know what he's missing. Hold on. Try pulling it out. I like my new glasses. They give me shade in the shade. I mean, they give me shade in the sun. Okay. He said, oh, I see what he couldn't do. He couldn't pull the bolt out. Why am I breathing? Woke up not feeling good today. I'm pretty dang bad. Let it be tools. I need another wrench. Can't get it out. So we gotta go get more tools. $19. 21. Let's go. Come on, bring you guys closer. Closer to me than I am to you. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Ow. Okay, let me further analyze this. And we'll figure it out. Because that really don't look like an aftermarket plate. I wonder if it is. I have my workshop and I'm over here working on the dirt. If I bring it down, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it good. Am I gonna get it good? I don't know. I mean, we're about to find out right now. So I'm gonna bring the jack down. It scared me. Really scared me, but can't always be scared. I hope I can get it out now. It's going. If this is to take off the suspension. Oh. Whew. Gotcha. That's what they told me. But I got it out. Inside out. One more to go. Then to get this out. Oh dear. I forgot about this. It's gonna be like a. Okay, now I have to go to the sun. No creo. Huh? You seen me, I was walking over here. I thought you were waiting for me. Oh, got this side. Now, I'm gonna take the other side off. Yeah, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be super hot on the floor. Someone's gotta do it though. Mike here, my son, he couldn't do it. Oh, one more out.
Your cuñado looks at it like, what the fuck are these fucking
Fucking tweakers. More? More way?
Ahí pasas.
Voy a pasar. ¿Quién es ese hombre? ¿Qué tanto por no levanta? Oh, my beer? Oh, wait.
It's good to go.
Where? You fast.
God damn.
Yeah, don't trust it. Oops. There already broke the pallet, so I'm assuming it's gonna break the pallet.
El panochón de Brian. Concha, concha, concha. El little biting concha.
Dicen los peruanos, concha su madre.
¿Cómo?
Concha su madre.
What that's like saying like goddamn.
Chinga su madre. Chinga su madre. Kind of. I tell Donna, you guys ruined my bread for life. I can't hear a concha without thinking about you guys saying concha su madre. She's gonna yank it out.
You gonna yank it out that way?
Uh-huh. Oh shit. Here. Oh shit. I guess that way?
No, yo lo que le estoy queriendo sacar es el gato porque lo puede sacar.
Espérate. Espérame, así déjame. Hay que poner el gato. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Meow.
Yeah, we'll probably work.
Oh, se atoró, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Little bitch. Going in the Jeep, huh? I think so. Hey. Hey. Or we lift this shit up.
También. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Fiber or what?
We got those stairs.
Oh,
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
1, 2.
Hey, relax.
1, 2. 1, 2. I pooped myself. You see those stars? I can see a bunch. You want some key? I'm gonna get it out here. He can carry his shit with his brother. Ay, que le salga otro hijo.
Otro huevivo.
How we?
Over. Takes your virginity.
You think you go push the cat that way? The jack?
The cat?
Meow. I'll lift it. You just. Thank God for off-roading jack with wheels. We're back. We're gonna. Now we're gonna bring this down. Oh, Brian, can you pull the jack out from that side?
Okay.
So if I press up, it should release it, huh?
Moment of truth with the front end.
Oh, no, wait. Anything can fall except my soda. Diabetes is all the way up, so. You guys tell me, see what happens, right? Oh. He didn't lift the front, huh? I could just hit it up with the jack. He wanted that too.
I want to take that to you home.
Yeah. I wanted that. For what? What are you gonna put on your Scion?
Of
He has
course.
a Jeep, not an Audi.
Yeah, homie.
You have one.
Oh yeah, and they
Oh,
pulled the
really?
boat already, so
Oh, never mind.
it's
Me and the towing lights work.
been tested,
It's like you. Been testicles.
just like your brother.
What, fishy? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go take a little break. And I've only been working for like 30 minutes, so I'll be back.